submariners are always looking for something more exciting to do. So today what they've decided was to paddle upstream for about 1 kilometer up this Doring into totally uncharted water. We have one of the bigger rapids ahead of us here, and the crew are busy getting ready in their crocodiles to do the first major rapid of the day. You'll see on the outside the 2 assistants from Felix Unity busy preparing in case we have any long swimmers. Behind us we have some of the crew portering their canoes up the rocky terrain, and it's been quite a challenge today. I think we're in for some excitement. It's the first Maria members, and we have, and they threw Howie Davids and his assistant Tony Yon, and they threw. Clint Hall. The third raft for this morning, and it's Dion Fredericks and one of the plushes. Side of this rapid we have the 2 safety members from Felix Unity standing by in case we have any tumbles. They're always ready to rescue the guys. He's just given the oar up, which means it's all clear for the next raft to come down. A true professional. Takes years of experience to do what Rob was busy doing there, and that shows the professionalism of this team. And the next raft coming through, Kritchmer Cole, away they go. Hey, it was quite a bumpy ride there. Now we have Chief Tiff Hamilton and Coxon Fabian. Away they go. And through, over the top. That was a good one. Through the white water. Who is? It's the baby engineer. And, Sid Manoff. And they've hit an obstacle. All right, another boat coming through now.